Hi, so this is, well, oh my god. So, this video is pretty, like, wow, oh my god. It's pretty, like, straightforward. It's how to do your eyeshadow in 10 minutes. Well, is that how am I gonna call the video? I feel like it's not. First of all, it's probably gonna, like, well, the time is no longer accurate, I guess. I don't know. So, I have, like, 10 minutes to do my eyeshadow. I don't know. Hold on. My thing was, like, too bright from the... It looks good from the front, but like from the side, I look a little crazy. I just realized all of my brushes are dirty. And like when I mean dirty, I mean like they're, oh, okay, you know what, we'll make it work. Okay, so we'll do like a quick, like little, you know, you're in a rush, you need like a cute little glam eyeshadow moment, so we'll do that. So step one is, I don't know. Okay. How's everyone like life's been? Alright, the way I've been having like the weirdest nightmares. Okay, step number 2, don't talk. And step number 3 is like, let's focus, okay? We got this. Okay, so I'm just putting a tiny bit, the way I said don't talk and went straight into talking. So I just put in a little bit of, well, you saw what I did. Oh my god, why am I like so rude? I'm sorry. So I'm gonna blend it out with a 224. Is that a 224? A 217? What the hell is a 224 then? So that little step of just like putting the eye pencil is literally gonna make like the rest go like super quickly. Okay, so now you're gonna grab yourself a palette, any kind. We're gonna be using that one because you know what? First one that came into my mind, well, into my hand, or no, whatever, it words. Okay, do I have a clean brush though? I kind of need one. Okay, so hopefully when you're in a rush, you don't, oh, well, you know what? When you're in a rush, always have like a makeup rag. So it's the same as a cum rag, but you use it for like in between brushes or whatever. Super useful. It's very slay, very live, laugh, love. We're gonna go in with that like nice little brown, and we're gonna blend that into a crease. I love how lately I've been in like my beauty guru era. Like the story times are kind of over, and I'm entering the professional era. I don't know. I'm saying that, but watch the next video be called I don't know. Honestly, I don't even want to manifest anything crazy because next thing you know, I'm gonna make a joke and it's gonna be like real. I really feel like, anyways, okay. We don't have time to talk right now. So I'm just packing that in the inner corner. On the brow bone, I don't know. Listen, babes, did not study anatomy. Anatomy? Anatomy. Anatomy tech. Anaphletometry. Anope. Okay. Then we're gonna go in with, we're gonna do the lower lash line. So this is great if you're like late for a funeral or something, I don't know. Or like a bachelor party or your wedding. Very versatile look. And I think today I'm gonna keep my brown eyes because let's be real. Live, laugh, love, but also run. No, I have like a big night tonight, so it's like I don't want to set myself up. Okay, so I'm gonna use the 217 again. Well, let's like wipe it first a little, just a tad bit. Oh my god. Whoa. And then we're just gonna pack a darker shade on the outer corner. The way this is doing absolutely nothing. Come on, like I'm in a rush, babes. Don't have time for this. Just like, can you not? I'm such a liar. We're never getting this done in 10 minutes. No, let's try. We're like halfway there anyways. I feel like we got this. Though this is like surprisingly looking beautiful. I'm like loving. Okay, going back in just a tad bit with the, no, honestly we don't have care. Blending is only when you have time. Okay, I'm gonna go back with that darker brown and we're just gonna slightly, very slightly go like this. Slide. Okay, now I'm gonna use a smaller brush and we're gonna do just a tiny bit of the outer corner right here. Just to kind of lift the eye look, I don't know. Okay. And now I feel like it needs to be like a tiny bit, just a tiny bit darker. So we'll go with this right here, which I know for a fact is a lot darker. Just want to make sure it doesn't like fall out. Slay. Slay, 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 slay. Slay, slap, slap. Not good. I lost my eyebrow pencil. Where is that? Figure it out tomorrow. Okay, slay. Now the last step would be about, I had a mental breakdown, you guys. Okay, let's not joke about that. We're just gonna go in with like a steel knockoff. I'm gonna blend it right now just because, no, this is like, I don't get it. Why is my hairline itchy? Itchy, itchy, yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, well, actually, not with this one. I'm going to clean it quick. We're just gonna like ever so slightly blend this. We're not really blending, to be fair. Just like, you know, tapping the product. I don't know. Oh, it's been 10 minutes, so I guess I lied. Well, you get the point. This is just me rushing to do my makeup. Oh, but I just remember there was a time restriction because I don't want to be late. Okay, so I honestly I have like 10 minutes to get out the house, so it's like, I mean, it's fine. Let's just finish the eyes and go. I'll do the rest at work. Okay, and then what I like to do is I'm just gonna make that outer corner a tiny bit like darker. Slay. So on this side. Okay, like this. And because like this is like the eyeshadow is kind of warm, we're just gonna go and tap a tiny bit of like this coppery shade on the outer corner, outer portion of the eyes, like this. Really just like ever so slightly. And then a little bit of gold. Just so you know. Okay, then we'll go ahead and do, do I even want to do like these lashes, or? I feel like they always hide everything. I need to get new lashes. No, I guess. I don't have more. I don't have enough time anyways. God, they look super dirty. No, lip left love. Okay, well, I'll glue them at work, so live, love you guys. Well, I'll show the final result. Okay, so this is the final look. I think all I did was adding lashes and maybe like lip liner, I don't know. So I never wanted to film like a video of like me rushing to do my eyeshadow because I was like, who cares what I did? That was like, you know what, that's like kind of interesting to know like what's your go-to rushed eyeshadow job, which like for me 10 minutes is like rushed. I like to take my time. I like to, you know, live, laugh, love. I like to be polished and everything. And I think I did a wig change like midway, like mid sets. Yeah, I totally did. So which one did we like more, the blonde or the brown? I kind of like the brown, but I think the blonde was more like fishy. I don't know. So at this point, I was just like, I was hidden, so that's why I took like videos in the booth because like no one was able to see me. But I really was like living for this. I was like, oh my god, this is like giving video clip up. Like I don't know, it kind of was everything. I thought I looked cool. I thought I looked cool with lights. Isn't it kind of a vibe? But yeah, so I don't know how long this part is. Like I don't know what else should I say. How was your week? Did you guys have a good week? Oh, I feel like that should be my thumbnail. Yeah, let me remember that. So yeah, so I feel like I I'm tired, but I'm having like the time of my life, and I feel like it's super fulfilling, loving what I'm doing, kind of killing it. I don't know. You know how you know you like your job? You know you like your job when you're exhausted, but you still love it. You know what I mean? So I think that I'm like live, love, laughing, and I'm running out of things to say. How long does this go for? Was I done or no? Oh, I guess. Ooh, cute. I was getting face. I really sad. Yeah, totally. Oh, well, is this the end? I think this is the end, or is it not? Anyway, so this was kind of a random video, I guess, but at the same time, I was like, let me just like post something, just because, you know, I try to post at least once a week. Oh, okay, it's the end of the video. Love you guys. Bye.